Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well, I am here with my design team package from Coca Rosa Studio, and I will leave their link down below and all the products or all these awesome dies that I have, and please go check them out. And I do have a coupon code that I will also leave down below. And they're having some Christmas specials. And I do not think you'll be disappointed. So go over and check them out. I would truly, truly appreciate it. So let's see what I've got to play with this month. I'm super excited. And as you can tell, I'm going to be very, very busy girl. So the first die set I have, it's called the Christmas Fireplace. And guys, look how stinking cute this is. Here's your fireplace, and here's like the stockings and the candles and the flames. Is that not absolutely adorable? Look at that. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dies with this set. Is it not awesome? I'm super excited to play with it because this is going to be your mantle. And then here's going to be the flame. Just so cute, so cute. So look out. We're going to be playing with this. And it looks like it is right at 3.5 by 2 3/4. But when you put the mantle on, it may be just a little bit taller. So we're going to have fun with that. And look at this one. This is called the Cat in the Christmas Sock. And I think this would be a perfect size for an artist trading card, don't you? So here's the cat, or here's the stocking, and there's the cute little cat, Santa hat. And here's the tail, and then there's like a little ribbon. I think that would be perfect for an artist trading card. So be prepared. And this is a super cute die set that you can use for any holiday, any season. This is called the Birds on the Tree. So you've got these neat trees and then these 2 little birds. Super cute. And you know how we are. I use trees in a lot, Halloween, Christmas. So it looks like the trees are 3.5 by maybe just a little over 3. That's the biggest one. And this one is 3 1/4. The branches go way out there, so it's almost 3 3/8. So super cute die set. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Can't wait to play with that. And I've always wanted a brick wall die. And here is one. So this is a wall background board die. So versatile. And perfect for a card. So it's going to be, looks like 3 7/8 by 5.5. You can tell I've used this ruler a lot. I've got glue all over it. Super fun. Can't not wait. This would be perfect. This brick wall would be perfect right behind your fireplace, wouldn't it? Huh. Neat idea. And I want you to look at this. This is called an ancient scroll die. And let me get it open here. There it is. Doo-doo-doo. And this would be super cute. Look. Look at this scroll. And you could stamp anything in there. The scroll could go this way, that way, doesn't matter. Perfect to put a saying. I always have a hard time saying sentiment. And it is 2 3/8 and then right over 1 3/4 inches. So that's a good size die there. Love this. And you can't have a scroll without a quill pen. And that's what this is, a feather quill pen die. How cute. Look at this. Look how cute. Is that not adorable? And this Quill Pen Die is almost 4 5/8. And look at its widest, probably at 7/8. So see, how cute would that be behind the scroll? Look at that. Or you could put the pen right here. So versatile. And not only do we have an ancient scroll and a quill pen, do you see a pattern here? We have ancient paper. And look at the ancient paper, and then here would be your inkwell. That's what I think it is. We'll find out. But look at that paper. You can put the scroll in the middle if you wanted to. Of course, you need a quill pen to write on paper. Look how versatile, guys. I cannot wait to play with these. And they always are real good to send you a free gift. And this was the gift that they sent, was these beautiful stamps. Aren't those adorable? Only for you. Balloons, and this is a little gift, like a Christmas gift. You can put that over that stamp. Just adorable. So guys, watch out for some project shares coming your way really soon. And I would like to thank Coca Rosa for all of these awesome products to play with. And guys, please go check them out. I will leave everything down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.